everyone, Cindy A. Lewis here, and this is part 2 of the Junk Mail Envelope Junk Journal 2020 in review, or what we're going to call it is 2020 reflections. And they can be good or bad, and we're going to make this step by step together. So yesterday I posted the video that we were going to start the series and how to think through the process. So I have my notes here, and I decided that I wanted to make my month, as you can see here. Let me zoom down for you. Every month we're going to make 2 pages. So for instance, if I have 2 envelopes would be 1 layout, just like that. So let me come back a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So this is actually a page and a page when you put them together. So we're going to do January would be 2 pages or 1 spread layout. So that's what we're going for. We're going to have a cover, a front and a back, and it can be 1 sheet or it can be separate sheets, however we want to do that. So let me zoom in a little bit again. And then we're going to use, I'm going to use 10, number 10 envelopes, which is your normal size. I'm using junk mail envelopes, so number 10s would be about this size or this size. Really, number 10s are probably this larger size, but this is what comes inside to mail your bill back, and they're in a little bit better shape sometimes. So I'll probably use those. You can use the smaller envelopes as well, however you want to. We're going to do our theme, and every spread is going to be different because every month it was different this year. And so we want to make it go together, but every page is not going to be purple in my book, right? So I just want you to know that, and it is entirely up to you how you do yours. But I want to capture memories, at least one memory from each month, because this year was a really historical year, right? And it's something to write home about. All right, so here we are. Here's the plan that we made. So these are the videos that we're going to do, but tonight's video is a little bit shorter in that we're just going to pick out the envelopes. We're not going to pick out the papers yet. I like to cover my envelopes with papers, but you don't have to do it. You can use anything that you like. If you don't have scrapbook paper, you can use magazines, brown paper bag, white paper bag, lunch bags, magazines, encyclopedia, old books, anything that you have, newspaper that you have at home that you want to use, that's what you should use. Okay, so you can see I've been saving my envelopes and not putting them in the trash because I want to use these. I want to upcycle, and that's the whole other side of this too, is not putting things in our landfill, but putting them to good use, making something beautiful and creative out of them, right? Okay, so I like this size right here, this size, the return envelope, and I want to get as many as I can really close to the same size, but they don't have to be exactly. So that one's pretty close. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through these and I'm going to pick out 15 envelopes, just envelopes that would be returned. See this one? It's a little too small for what I'm going for. So I'm just going to pick out some envelopes. So here we go. Here's my first 6. So I'm going to set those aside. And this one, let's see, this one, all right, this one's a little big. That's my giveaway receipt. Okay, here are 3 more, so now we have 9. So, and if you wanted to, if you have a large number of this size, this would be great for a journal, right? And so I don't know how many I have of that size, so I'm just pulling out these pages that I'm pretty sure that I have a lot of the same size. So now I have 12, and 1, 2, 3. So I should have 15 here. So let's see what I have. It doesn't matter what color because I'm going to cover them. So let's count. I think I have enough. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I know I have 15. And just in case I feel like I need to add a page or two, I'm going to snatch a couple of extras that are close to the same size. And I'm going to set those aside to be part of my journal just in case. So now I have set aside 18 envelopes. Okay, now you can see I have my envelopes set aside that I want for my journal. I've pulled 3 more, but as you saw, I have plenty saved from different months of mail that I want to look through. If I need them, and I want to make something out of them and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, so what we're going to do here is create our journal. So go ahead, pick out your envelopes. If you haven't gotten them, if you don't have enough, save some from the mail. And the next video, we're going to pick out our papers for each month. So you're going to want to make sure your scrapbook paper or whatever papers you use are at least going to cover the size of your envelope. Now you can double size that, but you'll see from some of the decorating videos, you can see how we're going to cut those to make them beautiful and unique for each month. So anyway, this was a quick video, but I wanted to put it together because I know you guys are eager to get started on your 2020 Reflections Junk Mail Envelope Junk Journal. Anyway, thanks. Have a great night, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.